Tonight, the great wolf hunts on Fenris. Track them by blood and by fear.
Fenris remembers every trespass. Its storms judge the unworthy. Some come to Fenris to hunt glory. They find only the fangs of winter and the wrath of the wolf.
The eye of chaos stains even fresh snow. Mark it. Burn it from this world. Contact have Ridge East. No mercy. We are the storm. Advance. The hunt is pace and patience. Close the gap. Keep the line.
Skirmishers! Broken line ahead!
Break them. Leave one to run. He will lead us to the pack. The wolf! Run! Run! Tell your master the hunt is upon him. A wounded beast runs to its den. Let him carry fear home. We follow. There, the den of carrion wolves.
Circle wide. When the wind shifts, we strike.
Taint is old, their courage bought with whispers.
Cut the tongue from their god!
Here! A hunter does not roar before he bites. The wolf, deliver us! Unchain them. Then chain the guilty to their sins. Icons shatter. Faith does not. Raise the wolves. Howl. To me. To the fair. Wrath is a tool, not a leash. Hold your fury. Spend it where it buys victory. Sorcery! Fenris needs no sorcery, only steel. By the... No spell stops a truth that flies faster than lies. You picked the wrong world. Fenris is not a place. It is a promise. The pack moves as one breath. Left shield high, right break, now. Old allies answer old calls. Run with me, brother. Fang and axe, one cadence. Drive them to the ice river. Ice remembers the weight of cowards. Break the surface. Drown their fire. No! Fenris takes back what you stole, but the true prey still breathes. Find his scent. We finish this.